Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Nokia C32 with a PC for the file transfer. And to do this we'll need one USB cable that we connect with our PC and one USB-C end to connect our phone. Now plug it in and unlock your device. Inside, scroll down notification bar and look for the connection settings. Here it is, charging with USB, and we want to change that for USB transfer. So here it is, file transfer. Open a file manager on your PC and there's Nokia C32, and now we can start exchanging files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.